All right, guys, I want to explain really quickly a common application of interest rate. This is a point at which it's really easy to get thrown off. But if you watch TV and see commercials, we see interest rates all the time expressed as APR. Oftentimes, we'll see commercials for like 0% APR for a certain amount of time. Or, for example, in this image, there's like a car loan for 2.99 APR. So that just means roughly for whatever amount you borrow, you'll pay 3% every single year. So the easiest way to kind of practice this is to consider like a real life example of you loaning $100 of your own money. So the scenario I'm going to ask you in a second is how much would you charge someone in order to lend or borrow $100 to someone else for a whole year? So think about this problem not in the context of helping someone or a family or a friend or someone in a pinch. View it as like a purely business transaction. How much would you need to be paid in order to have $100 leave your pocket for an entire year? Now consider at the end of 1 year, you're going to get your $100 back, and then you're going to get the interest back. And my question to you is, how much extra interest would you need in order to make it worthwhile to give up that $100? So you're going to see in the next slide, there's some ranges starting at like $0 to $5, all the way up to I wouldn't give $100, or I wouldn't loan $100 at all. So I'm just curious where you're at and what you would do. Whatever dollar amount you choose, that's your percentage rate. Because we're using $100, it makes the math super simple.